Hello and welcome to a basic demo of the Moditar Data Adapter. We use this product to move and organize data around between various systems, products and databases. Essentially a tool for integration. So in the integration hub here we've split up an area where you set up your integrations. So you get it from a data in to a data transform and then to a data out. In a data in scenario here, you can actually select a get data from various pre-configured connectors. You'll see if you select one here, it actually tells you what you need to do, depending on what it is, if you need certificates or endpoints, etc., etc. If we're going to do a quick one here, data in, this service essentially takes the file and automatically decodes it. So this works with Excel, CSV, JSON and XML and decodes it immediately. You can see here in a nice sort of friendly view, or you can do it in XML, JSON, etc., whatever. Let's have a look at this XML here. Sort of order file here. Here we can say that this is the batch node here, which would be the repeating node, and we are going to call this the order name, being the order number here, being the identifier number. Once it comes in the data in, now you can create a transform out of here. Here we've got various sort of lookup tables I've already set up in the background. So if we do a product code lookup here from a test product, we'll look at a supply code to an item code here. You'll see this view here shows you a before as the file's coming in and an after what you're sending out. Here you'll see it would have picked up that product code and pulled in all the relating fields to that here. The idea around this is to build this file up as much as possible and then push it through a output file which would discard any unwanted fields. We've got an add field function here which consists of basic math functions. So we can say here we want to add in a line cost. We'll choose this parent field here. We can say we want A to be quantity and B to be net price. There we go. And in here we can just say A times B. And now we'll see that field over here pop up and essentially be built up in here. Then we can do filters. Essentially this is filtering out any on any node or field of a value. We mainly use this to direct certain sort of data flows in certain paths. We do a projection at the end, so we do a final projection. Once we have all the fields that we need, we can simply go and choose an output file, where that's like this, and now you physically just go in and map each field accordingly. Once it is mapped, you'll see it come up here. You can save and then perform a data out. I just want to show you. This is one I've set up previously just to show you sort of how it can go through. So here we've done a product change, customer change, we've added VAT, unit price, VAT amounts, built up a whole stack of information and moved from this document to a fully completed export document. As with the transformations, you can also create validators. These work in a similar way to the transformation, where you can actually do a lookup on a source data set and set up different operators here, and if it fails, you can give it a validation message. You can tailor this message to suit whoever's going to be monitoring the transaction page on here, sort of steer them in the right direction. Once you have created a transform, you can actually create secondary transforms, or you can create it out, and here you'll see again, you can either set up a collection or push it in a data out with all the various inputs that you need here to get it going. These connectors here are all based through an SDK that we have. You can download, or developers can download, a NuGet package off the NuGet public feed, which is full of examples of how to build these connectors and connect through to them. Once that's all set up and done, documents will start flowing, and you can view everything in this transaction page. It'll tell you as it goes through the transform and the data outs, where in the process it's been, what errors it's happened, and give you a good idea of what's going on in the background. You can also set up organizations around here, so you can share organizations with various colleagues. You can set something up and then invite them to come and add extra users to that organization specifically. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this demo, and please let us know what you think. Goodbye.